Indiana lawmakers heard from the public again over a bill that could limit COVID-19 mandates. The bill would require private businesses that require the vaccine to also offer a testing option. CBS 4's Kristen Eskow joins us now. Kristen, lawmakers say they are considering changes.
Well, that's right, Lindsay. The House Majority Leader who wrote the bill says he heard the criticisms raised at the last meeting about the cost of testing to business owners and the absence of penalties for businesses that don't comply. And he floated today some ideas for changes. Meanwhile, there are still a lot of concerns about this proposal, especially as Indiana experiences another COVID-19 surge. Another hours-long session of public testimony Thursday at the Indiana State House on the proposal to limit COVID vaccine mandates by private businesses. Dozens of Hoosiers addressed the House Committee on Employment, Labor, and Pensions.
I don't want to not work. I don't want to not be able to feed my children.
Republican lawmakers behind the bill say it's those workers they're trying to protect. The bill would require private employers with COVID vaccine mandates to also offer a testing option and cover the cost of those tests. Medical experts still have concerns, with some returning to the State House to testify a second time.
Vaccine is the single most effective prevention for not getting COVID-19.
Democrats point out concerns from the business community, arguing employers should be allowed to make their own decisions.
I'd like to see employers off the hook for the testing, paying for the testing. Some of these companies have estimates that it'll cost $6 million.
House Majority Leader Matt Lehman, who wrote the bill, says he's looking at ways to address that concern.
We just need to narrow that down into more of the cost of the test. I think there are still some places around the state where you can go and have tests done for free.
Another change he's considering, allowing people denied for medical or religious exemptions to receive unemployment benefits.
Some are saying if you choose not to be vaccinated, that's your voluntary, leaving the employment voluntarily. We're not firing you. Yet I think it's very clear if you don't get the vaccine, we're going to break our ties with you. That's not voluntary.
And the doctor I spoke with earlier says he's also concerned about the state ending the public health emergency now amid this latest COVID-19 surge. The author of the bill says he believes it's still time to end the emergency, saying the emergency declaration has more to do with federal funding coming to the state. Kristen Eskow, CBS 4 News.